Energy, air consumption, performance, the bottom line. Pump efficiency and energy consumption have been a concern in particular for air-operated double diaphragm pumps. Until now. From the company founded by the father of AODD pumps, a new way to control air. An innovation so simple, yet so effective, it will shift your thinking. Introducing Wilden's new ProFlow Shift high-efficiency line of air-operated double diaphragm pumps. A revolutionary design innovation now controls airflow, precisely cutting off the air before overfilling the chamber. The simplicity of the design shifts the paradigm for air-operated double diaphragm pumps. ProFlow Shift can cut air consumption by up to 60%. And it's accomplished without complicated electronic devices or gimmicks. So safe and so simple, it's even submersible. Wilden's ProFlow Shift starts instantly with maximum efficiency while providing an accurate flow rate for precise product control. With just one simple innovation, ProFlow Shift has set a new standard for air-operated double diaphragm pumps. Lab tests prove it. No other air-operated double diaphragm pump can match up. Shift your thinking. Wilden's ProFlow Shift. Contact your authorized Wilden distributor today.
PSG, where innovation flows.